Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today you learn numbers. Kids class name: red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color, O N E 1, 2, T W O 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3, T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4, and use blue color, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use yellow color, S I X 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7, S E V E and 7, 8, E I G H T 8. Kids now draw 9, the numbers of 9, and use black color, N I N E 9, 10, T E and 10, the numbers of 10. Kids now draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use black color, 12, the numbers of 12, and again use black color. Kids now draw 13, the numbers of 13, and use green color, 14, the numbers of 14, and again use green color. Kids now draw 15, the numbers of 15, 16, the numbers of 16. Kids now draw 17, the numbers of 17, and again use green color. Kids now draw 18, the numbers of 18, and use white color, Kids again use white color and draw 19, the numbers of 19. Kids again use white color and lastly draw 20, the numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.